Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to render your 3D text that you made in Cinema 4D. As you can see, I'm already in the render view. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up to your render settings, which is right here. Click it. As you can see, I already have this right here. If you saw the last video of how to make the 3D text, you should know how to make these settings here. So next, just check in your general, make sure it's on full render, go to your save, and then click the three dots and then choose where you want to save it. I recommend saving it to your desktop just because it makes everything easier, makes it all right there. And I'm just going to name it YouTube Test and just click save. Here under format, you want to save this as a PSD just because it makes it go into Photoshop a lot easier. And there's either two ways you can do it. If you have Photoshop, then there's already the Photoshop PSD, or what I'd use is the TIFF PSD layers. And then you want to keep it 8-bit channel. Just keep the name as it is. Then you want to check alpha channel. And then check your multipass, there's nothing to do there. Anti-aliasing, there's nothing you have to do there. Options, nothing you really have to do there. And then I just have the object glow just because I have glow on it. So now if you're ready, if you're all done, you're ready to render, just go to the middle, just click it, and they're starting the render. I hope you find this helpful. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll have a couple videos coming up soon. Alright, see you guys.